In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a new folder in VS Code. So launch your Visual Studio, and once you're on your Visual Studio, click on the file option which is on your top left, click on it and then hit on open folder. Okay, open folder, and here select where do you want to open the new folder. So for example, I want to just open it in my documents here. So click on documents and I'll just hit on a new folder here on the documents and then just name it as demo. Yep, just give any name for your folder. And then once that's done, there you go, select it. Okay, so once that's done, so this will now create the location here. So now what you're going to do here, you've already created, and on this dialog box appears, click on yes, I trust the others, and that's fine. And you have now created a folder here, so you can simply click on the folder that you just created to add files to it and then if you want to add a file to this folder here, so you can just click on new file option here and then add a files to your folder. And if you want to create like a subfolder within this folder, you can create this new folder option here to create a subfolder within this folder. And that's basically pretty much it is.